In this video, I will tell you exactly how you can use the Apple Music, how the Apple Music subscription actually works. So imagine you're in a situation where you actually want to purchase it, but you don't know exactly how it works. So that's why I'm making this video. So as you probably know, Apple Music is a streaming service, meaning that you have to pay for it monthly. It is seamlessly integrated into the iPhone because, of course, you need to have the Apple Music app on your iPhone, and by default, it is just going to be there. So if you just get the iPhone fresh out of the box, you're going to be able to find it there without even having to get the app from the App Store. However, there is the option to delete the app, and if that happens, you can easily just open up the App Store, and there you will be able to re-download it very easily, so it's not really going to be a problem. So this basically is the way how it works. So with the music subscription paid, you're going to have access to all of the sounds and all of the music which is there available. And of course, you can like your favorite tracks, discover new music, create playlists, many different stuff which can be used there. But the subscription works as follows. So inside of the settings, you have multiple subscription models. So if I go ahead and I show you mine in the Apple ID section, in the subscriptions, once it loads up, I will be able to show you exactly which ones or which plans you have available. So once I get inside, you can see I have the Photoshop, and Apple Music is one of the subscriptions. And as you can see, I pay monthly, and the fee is $10. It renews on the 28th of each month. So you have each month worth of music for this specific price. And you can see that even if I cancel it, I can still access my subscription and all the music until it expires. So in my case, until the 28th of November, I can still use it in case I cancel it. But if I click on See All Plans, you can see here are all of these subscription models. So I can pay individual for 649 euros. Keep in mind that it also varies by the country that you are located in. So of course, you have a different currency in different countries, but also you may have a different pricing. So I have the family subscription where I can get it or paid monthly. Like I am the organizer of the group, so I pay the monthly subscription for family, and I can also just add other people there. So that's an option as well. If you want to save a bit of cash, you can also pay for the individual for a year. So you don't pay monthly, but you pay yearly, but you actually save like 2 months worth of the Apple Music if you pay 1 year ahead. That's an option as well. Or you can switch to a student. So yeah, that's an option as well. So you can click on student, and that's how you basically get it to work. I don't want to mess with this too much, but if you switch to a student, you will have to prove that you are actually a student. So you're going to have to upload some kind of ID card from school or whatever. So that's an option as well. So yeah, I'm not going to change this at all, and this is basically how it works. So if you found this video useful, wait until I show you this, because this is the FoxTecc educational platform, and inside you can find many different things like in-depth guides and other tutorials which I don't really have available on YouTube. And inside in here, you can go to the classroom section. It is free to join, and there is like a video and photo editing tutorials, constantly new stuff being added, iPhone apps explained. I plan on releasing some new content there as well, so definitely check it out. It's free to join. The link is down below in the description. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Hope you found it useful. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video.